स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हम एक्सरसाइज 1.1 कमीशन ब्रोकरेज एंड डिस्काउंट के आगे के 10 सम्स करने जा रहे हैं। इसके पहले की वीडियो में हमने फर्स्ट से 9 तक एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व किए हैं। सो लेट अस डू 10th क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द एक्सरसाइज 1.1 कमीशन ब्रोकरेज एंड डिस्काउंट. So let us begin with question number 10. Here 3 cars are sold and through an agent. So first car, second car, this is price of third car, and see the discount rates of commission to the agent on first 2 car is given, and the rate of commission on the total sum, that is total price, is given, that is 14%. Here it is asked to find the rate of commission on third car. So first car, second car rate of commission is given, so we calculate commission from first 2 cars as well as commission on total price. So rate of commission on total is 14%, so we calculate 14% of the total price, that comes out to be 6,87,000. 14% of this, that is total commission. Total commission is equal to 14% of total commission is 14% of 6,87,000, which comes out to be 96 rupees 96,180. This is total commission. Now commission on first car, commission on second car we calculate. See, the rate of commission on first car is 17.5%. So therefore commission on first car is equal to, rate of commission is 17.5%. 17.5% of the price is 2,40,000, which will be 42,000. See, 42,000 is the commission on first car. Rate of commission on second car is given 12.5%, and the price is what, 2,22,000. So on second car, commission on second car, commission on second car, it is by 12.5%. 12.5% of price 2,22,000. Calculate this. It is 27,750 rupees. This is commission on second car. So we calculate commission on first and second car. First and second car, commission on first and second car is equal to 42,000 plus 27,750, that is equal to 69,750. Now this commission we subtract from the total commission. Total commission is equal to 96,180. So therefore commission on third car will be equal to, commission on third car will be total commission 96,180 minus 69,750, which is 26,430. This is commission on third car. Now we calculate rate of commission on third car. So let rate of commission on third car. So rate of commission on third car. Say it is R%. So R% of its value, that is R% of 2,25,000. This is equal to the commission which agent get is this. Now we calculate R. Therefore R is equal to 2643, cancel this 0 upon 225, which is 11.75%. This is rate of commission on third car, which is to be calculated. Question number 11. Here discount is what, 15% on the list price and of washing machine, and further on cash payment there is a 5% discount. So after giving this discount, the net selling price is 38,356.25 rupees of the washing machine, and we calculate here list price of the washing machine. So list price, whenever list price is to be find out, we consider that list price as 100 rupees. So let the list price is rupees 100. List price is rupees 100. After giving discount of discount of 15%, so 15% on 100 rupees, so that comes out to be discounted price. Discount is equal to 15% of 100 rupees, that is 15% will less, so discounted price will be equals to 85 rupees. 85 rupees will be discounted price. Now again there is a 5% discount on cash payment. So on cash payment, further discount of 5%. So 5% of 85 rupees, that will be 4.25 rupees. We less from 85. Therefore net selling price will be what? Net selling price will be equals to 85 minus, which is equal to 80.75 will be net selling price. This net selling price on 100 rupees price. So we took list price is equals to 100 and selling price is comes out to be 80.75. Now or as list price is to be find out, see list price is 100 rupees and selling price is equal to 80.75. Now suppose X is the list price and here selling price is given 38,356.25 rupees. Therefore we calculate list price. Therefore list price will be equal to 38,356.25 upon 80.75 into 100. We calculate it 47 rupees, 47,500 will be the list price of washing machine. Question number 12 is bookseller received rupees 1530 rupees as 15% commission on list price. Find list price of a book. A very simple question. We take list price of a book is X, books X, list price is equal to X rupees, and 15% commission on list price. So 15% of X, that is a commission, which is 15x upon 100, which is 3x upon 20. Now this is discount or commission, we less from the list price. So therefore selling price will be is equal to, selling price of books will be equals to list price minus this commission, which is 17x upon 20, and this is given. This amounts to 1500. This is given 1530 rupees. Therefore X which is required 1530 into 20 upon 17, which is equal to 1800 rupees, and this will be the list price of book. Is equal to 1800. Thirteenth question is this: selling price is given, that is net selling price is given 8832. Discount is 8% on marked price, and cash discount is equal to 4%. Profit is made 38%. We find cost price as well as mark price. The mark price you can find by taking 100 as marks price, and there is a discount on marks price, that is 8%, and again further discount by cash payment. For cash payment, let 100 rupees be marks price. Let mark price is equal to 100 rupees, and there is a discount of 8% on this. So discounted price is equal to 8%, that is 8 rupees. We subtract from 100. So 100 minus 8, which is 92 rupees, is the discounted price. Now on this there is a cash discount, that is 4% on this. So cash discount 4% of this, which is 3.4%, 3.68 rupees we subtract from this. So that means selling price will comes out to be, so selling price will be 92 minus 3.68, which is 88 rupees 88.32. When marked price is 100 rupees, we are getting selling price is equal to 88.32 rupees. Now we calculate mark price when selling price is equal to 8832 is the selling price. Then we calculate mark price. Therefore mark price will be equal to, this is mark price is equal to 8832 upon 88.32 into 100. Now this is 100, that is 10,000 rupees. 10,000 is the mark price. Now we calculate cost price when he is getting 38% profit. So let cost price is x rupees. So cost price is suppose x rupees. On this x rupees he is getting 38% profit. So profit is equal to 38% of x. So therefore selling price will become x plus 3800, which is 138x upon 100. Selling price become 138x upon 100, but it is given that selling price is given to be 8,832. Therefore our required cost price, that is x will be equals to 8,832 into 100 upon 138. This we calculate and it is equal to 64. 6,400 will be the cost price. Therefore cost price will be equal to 6,400 rupees. Question number 14. Here an agent charges 10% commission plus 2% del creditor if he sells good worth rupees 37,200. Here we find his total earning of agent. So agent's commission 10% and del creditor commission, that is 2%. So total it comes out to be 12% commission. 10 plus 2%, 12% of 37,200. That is a total earning of agent. So earnings of agent is equal to 12% of 37,200, which is 372, 4,464 rupees. Therefore total earning of agent will be equals to rupees 4,464. Question number 15. A wholesaler allows 25% trade discount, 5% cash discount. These two discounts on here article is marked at rupees 1600, and we calculate net price, that is selling price of the article we find after giving this discount. 25% discount on 1600, that is discounted price. Discounted price is 25% of 1600, which is 400 rupees. This 400 we subtract, so that will be the discounted price. Discounted price will be 1200 rupees. 1200 will be the discounted price, and after giving cash discount 5%, so cash discount is equal to 5% of 1200, which comes out to be 60 rupees. So therefore net selling price will be equals to what? Net selling price of article will be 1200 minus 60 rupees, which is 1140 rupees will be the net selling price of article. Dear students, in next videos we try to complete next exercise of this topic. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.